In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to adjust Zoom video settings for optimal lighting and brightness. This will ensure that your appearance in Zoom meetings is clear and professional, regardless of your surroundings. So, whether you're attending a virtual class, hosting a webinar, or joining a casual video call with friends, these settings will help you look your best on camera. First, begin by opening your Zoom application on your computer. Make sure you're logged in with the correct account. Once you have Zoom open, direct your attention to the top right corner of the app window where you'll see your profile picture. Clicking on your profile picture will open a drop-down menu, leading you to various options. Here, you'll want to select the Settings option, which will take you to an array of settings that control different aspects of your Zoom experience. With the Settings window open, look at the left-hand side and find Video. Click this option to access all the video-related settings. This section is crucial because it allows you to adjust how you appear on screen. It's particularly useful for those times when natural lighting isn't optimal, whether it's due to the time of day or if your home setup simply doesn't provide the lighting you desire. Now, once you're in the video settings, you'll see an option to Enable Lighting Adjustment. Check the box near this option. This feature is a simple but powerful tool Zoom offers to automatically improve your lighting conditions. If you're in a dimly lit room or if the light is uneven, enabling this setting will help to balance it out and make sure that you're well illuminated. After activating the lighting adjustment, you'll next want to choose the brightness level that works best for you. Underneath the lighting adjustment option, you'll notice a slider that allows you to manually select your preferred brightness setting. Try sliding the bar to the right to increase brightness and see how it changes your appearance on screen. Alternatively, if you feel like you're too washed out, shifting it to the left will reduce brightness. Take a moment to experiment with different levels until you find the setting that feels natural and flattering. To wrap things up, having adjusted your video settings this way ensures that your video feed is consistently bright and clear, helping you put your best foot forward every time you join a meeting. Feel free to test these settings in a Zoom call by yourself or with a friend to ensure everything looks just right. With these adjustments, you're all set to make the most out of your next Zoom session. Thanks for tuning in, and happy Zooming!